Welcome to the PolicyPass video training module on the Surveillance and CCTV Policy. This policy ensures CCTV is used to enhance safety, security and well-being while protecting privacy and meeting legal requirements. The aim of this policy is to monitor and deter risks to children, staff, families and visitors, support incident investigations and property security, protect individual privacy, and comply with all relevant laws, and clearly define the purposes and limits of CCTV use. Implementation includes installing cameras only in approved non-private areas, providing clear signage and information about CCTV operation, securing footage with restricted access and regular maintenance, and using footage only for authorised safety, security or investigation purposes. Management responsibilities include reviewing and updating the policy and CCTV procedures annually, allocating resources for secure installation, maintenance and data storage, training staff in privacy, security and correct use of CCTV, and responding to access requests, complaints and incidents promptly. Educators and staff are responsible for following all CCTV and privacy procedures at all times, maintaining confidentiality and never accessing footage without authorization, reporting any CCTV faults, security concerns or observed incidents, and participating in training and policy reviews as required. Families are responsible for reading and understanding the CCTV policy provided at enrolment, keeping contact details up to date for incident communication, respecting the privacy of others if viewing footage is permitted, and following the correct process for footage access or raising concerns. By working together, we create a safe, transparent and respectful environment that balances safety with privacy. Thank you for watching this training module on the Surveillance and CCTV Policy. Let's continue to protect our community by using surveillance responsibly and with care for everyone's rights.